So a lot of people coming in, just like any other patient, right? Nobody wants to be horizontal. Nobody wants to be that kind of vulnerable, right? And sit back and they've had some childhood experiences that maybe didn't go so well. So a big question we get here is this gonna hurt? Is this a real bad process? And no, it's not. And one of the things I will tell patients, don't go on Google, don't go on to all these sites where they have these horror stories. These do not happen in this office. So what we do here is make sure that you are 100% comfortable. The biggest thing you have to know is that the actual pilot drill that we use is so small you have to actually squint to actually see it. And once we use that, it goes in a certain amount of millimeters that takes less than 20 seconds. Once we have that done, we just simply place the implant. The whole process itself is a 5-minute process. Now that's not to say speed is of the essence. It's not. We give a great amount of time to make sure that you are comfortable. Once you are comfortable, the process is as painless as anything that we do here in the chair.